Hi, and welcome to this recovery exercise. So, no matter whether you've just finished doing what you're doing or if you've already done your cool down, just finding a quiet place where you can either sit or lie down to do this exercise. And I'd just like you to begin by, once you're sitting comfortably or lying down comfortably, I'd like you to begin with your eyes open, just a very soft focus, aware of the space around you. And when you're ready, just taking some nice big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you breathe out now, just gently closing the eyes. And in closing the eyes, just feeling the weight of the body, either just sinking down into the chair or into the ground, just letting go, allowing the muscles to relax, to sink down. And just taking a moment or two just to you just settle back into the space around you, noticing the physical sensations and also any sounds around you. So as you sit there or lie there, even if the breath's still going very fast, that's fine. Allow the breath to do what it needs to do to come back to a natural place of rest. In the same way, allowing the mind to chatter away if it wants to, allow thoughts to come and go. We're just starting off by gently bringing the attention into the body, starting to notice how the body's feeling, and almost just sort of checking in with the body post-exercise as we scan down from head to toe, just noticing how the body's feeling right now. Not getting stuck on any one particular feeling, but just evenly scanning down, getting an overall picture of how the body feels. And as you do that, just starting to notice the movement of the breath as well, that rising and falling sensation. If you like, you can just gently place your hand on the stomach just to feel that movement. You're just feeling the breath begin to normalize in the rhythm as you just watch that rising and falling sensation. And just maintaining a sense of focus on the breath, a very gentle focus. Just turning the attention now to the top of the head, and I'd like you to imagine a very steady stream of warm, bright sunlight just shining down on the body. It's almost as though it has a liquid quality to it as it flows down. I'd like you to imagine it almost flowing down through the head into the body. And we're just going to imagine the body filling up with this quality, spaciousness, of ease, greater sense of relaxation and recovery in the body. And we just watch as it flows downwards through the body, down the legs, into the feet, and into each and every toe. And as we watch it travel up through the body, almost like a vase filling up, there's a sense that as it passes through that area of the body, it just melts away any tension, just leaving behind a sense of ease as we watch it travel up through the lower half of the legs, past the knees, into the upper half of the legs. Again, the muscles just giving way. And as we watch, it's almost as though it's just happening on its own. It doesn't require any effort. It has its own rhythm, its own speed. We're just watching. It travels up now towards the waist, the pelvis, the hips. And just any tension dissolving in that sunlight as we watch now as it travels into the lower half of the trunk, the lower back, the stomach. Just slowly moving upwards, up towards the diaphragm, chest, and the upper back. Again, a sense of any tension just melting away, sense of ease. As it travels now up into the shoulders, still flowing down from above the head into the body. Now flowing down either arm, the upper half of the arms, to the lower half of the arms, down into the hands, and each and every finger. As it continues to flow down, now traveling up through the neck and the throat area. Again, just feeling everything giving way, jaw relaxing as it moves up into the head, face, the eyes, any tension just melting away. It travels all the way to the top of the head. And when the entire body feels as though it has this warm, spacious quality, as though it's already moved into a state of recovery, just staying there as long as you need to, either focusing on that sensation or the feeling, the movement of the breath. And just opening the eyes when you're ready.